Hey everybody, Ahmad here from Modifications. Today's videos will be very quick and easy. I'm going to show you how to change the air cabin filter in the Kia EV6. There's a few videos out there about this, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is because I keep on seeing people paying dealerships where the dealerships will charge people as a part of a service to do it, but just do it yourself. I'll show you how to do it. The air cabin filter is under the front, so it's not in the glove box, it's not anywhere in there. Super easy, so I'm going to remove my stuff, my B2L charger, my tire mobility kit, my Tesla CCS adapter, and my battery jumper kit. There's a little mat right here. Take that off. All you do is you yank this. There you have it. If you're looking at the car like this, you just go right here. This is where the air cabin filter sits. So you actually just pinch these two little clips right here and you pull it open. So now you can pull it out. Mine is fairly dirty. It's not super dirty. It's not that old. And when you replace it, make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down. So you literally just slide it in. Take this, slide it into that little cap, and you are done. That's how easy it is. So do not pay the dealership any more money to do this for you. So let me show you where the battery is. The battery's right here. All you got to do is pull this up. With all the 12-volt battery issues happening right now, this is helpful to know. This is where you would jumpstart their battery. And now you can sit in your cabin and smell that fresh filtered air that smells like cash in your wallet. So you're welcome. Bye.